Hey guys, we're over at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2014 Ford F-150. This Ford had a factory little 4-inch screen in it, and the customer wanted to get a better stereo as well as a bigger screen. Let me show you what we did. Alright, so now we're in the F-150. The dash is obviously a lot different than the factory. If you happen to have one, you'll notice the difference yourself. But essentially, we replaced the dash kit here with an iData Maestro kit. Integrates climate controls, so as soon as I touch climate, you'll see differences on the screen. Temperature also reacts with the screen. Defroster, front, rear, I can change the position as to where the heat or AC is coming out of. So it's super cool in the way it actually integrates. So I get control on screen for my climate, as well as it integrating with the manual controls here. Still have my traction control button, and then my passenger airbag light, as well as the power button, of course. The radio also has Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth wireless music streaming, USB, auxiliary, HDMI input, and we actually integrated all those down below over here. So currently I have my phone plugged in. We're listening to my phone through Apple Music, and I can also talk to Siri. Hey Siri, take me to the nearest Dunkin' Donuts.
Getting directions to Dunkin' Donuts.
So via Carplay, I can just tell Siri what I'd like her to do, whether it be music, messaging, or maps. So now I can go to Dunkin' Donuts, and it'll work just like a factory radio. I also have a backup camera. Put the car in reverse, camera up on screen. The car itself has factory park assist sensors, so those still work. Let me just go ahead and end this. The Apple CarPlay screen, you can check some of our other videos. It kind of explains what it does, but essentially it makes it very, very easy to communicate with your phone, with Siri, and get music, messaging, and maps. We integrated the volume and station controls on the steering wheel, as well as the phone control buttons, station control, all that kind of stuff. And then some other cool things that we did. So because the radio is connected via iData Maestro, we also get some vehicle information features. So let me go to the next page here. Vehicle info. So I get my tire pressure, my door ajar, as well as hood information. Vehicle voltage, if I had a check engine light, I'd get that information there as well. Let me also show you, hang on. We also have gauges. So as far as gauges are concerned, these are gauges that communicate over the CAN bus of the vehicle in miles per hour, RPM, fuel, intake, load, and there are plenty of other gauges that you can incorporate with this and change the layout. So it's just another cool feature that you get without having to add any additional material to the job. Again, this is done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter.